Hey there, so today I'm going to show you how I do my virtual twilights without using an editor. I'm sure you've all had the same issues where you send your daytime photo to get it converted into a virtual twilight and you pay 5, 10 bucks, maybe a little less, maybe a little bit more, but it always comes out looking horrible. It's like the shadows are still on the driveway, you can see the border where the shadow and of the shadow and the sun. You got the reflections of off the windows of trees and whatever's on the outside, because in natural twilights you can see into the home and the furniture and the light glowing out of it. But here's a cool little fix to use AI to make your own virtual twilights. I use Higgsfield AI, and we're gonna go to Nano Banana, which I believe is the same as Gemini, just a different name. And we're just going to drag it over here. That load, let me show you what it looks like beforehand so you can see the picture full size. So that's what it looks like, and we just wait for it to load. And for the prompt, we're just going to start off with I guess it's not saved. For the prompt, we're just going to start off with convert this into a twilight photo. Okay, so here is the result. So looks pretty good. You can see inside the house. You got the sky looks pretty nice. There's no harsh shadow lines. If you remember in the original photo, you got these lines right here and the tree's shadow, and we don't have that. All that's gone. Looks like if you went back at nighttime and took it yourself. So we're not done there yet. I know there's a discussion about the size. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to Edit, Upscale, and it actually uses Topaz to upscale it. You can go 1x, 2x. I find that 2x is sufficient. So it takes a minute for it to finish upscaling it. Alright, so it upscaled. Then just go to download. And let's open this up. So what we want to do is we kind of want to compare to make sure it didn't change anything on us. We see that's still there. That pipe's still there. Whoops, wrong one. The windows look the same. Yes. Doors look the same. The post is the same. So as far as I can tell, everything looks good. So there you have it, your natural twilight.